cover. Why were girls them bad so? Why Jamaican girls them have a shot so? No man, them shot more than Neagle at KPH. That makes sense. The Bula Breadfoot. So it was the 100-meter finals for women, and Jamaica, the one and only, have 3 Jamaican women are representing for we in the finals. Goodie number 1, Christania Williams.
Hot girl, sweet like a...
Goodie number 2, Elaine Thompson. And goodie number 3, Shelly Ann Fraser Price. So Christania, after Jamaica, we don't really know her, so we not expect too much from her. We're just happy so she in the finals and can give you opportunity to get 1, 2, 3. Shelly Ann Fraser Price, Jamaica's sweetheart. You is like the Taylor Swift of Jamaican sprinting. The girl next door, bubbly, full of life, and just awesome. And good turkey neck, she all go for the 3-peat. This could have been a history-making moment. Me know the first ever woman in history to win the Olympic, not 1, not 2, but 3 times back to back to back. Based on that, me never want Elaine Thompson kinda win still. You know, me just there say if Elaine the kinda in a lead and say Shelly in a second, Ellie would have just kinda slow down a little bit and make Shelly and get it. Just for the history-making moment there. Was I wrong for thinking like that? Oh, Elaine Thompson, you are the future of Jamaican track and field 100-meter sprinting for women. And 200 too. Jamaica not really fully, well, warm up there yet, but ain't nothing that a little microwave can fix. Because as you know, Jamaican people not really rep with you until you start do something for them. Like give them some gold medal, and then they will fling everybody else and be like, yeah, Elaine, yeah. You can't buy a way out. So anyways, it was box foot time for the race to start. Nerves start to take over my entire skin. That darn dolphin slippers, whatever she want name. With her WWE track thinness like she want to come intimidate with athlete them. All they want the name Gardner. She not Farmville to play. So from the semis, me and Priest Shelly and Fraser Price kinda at up our tour. Me say, oh God, no God. Please, Father Jesus, fix the toe. Make a way where there seems to be no way. If it is the big toe, you can fix it. If it is the little pinky toe, you can fix it as well. If it is the toes between the big toe and the pinky toe, make a way and fix them too. In your name I pray. At one point, all this me end up a try. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes, man. Like how the whole entire Jamaica pray for Hurricane Earl, go her way. And way it went. Then the race go start for get introduced. And they want to come make Shelly and I know say her foot already at up. Fish run through this old fern gully looking cave something there. I was like, Shelly, where you ackle up your body for? You know, see them a try to come sabotage you. Take it easy, Shelly, take it. Remember the foot, Shelly. Alright, so we just have to fast forward now to when the race actually going to start. So them a get ready for second in the blocks. Shelly Ann, Elaine, and Christania. Me they all want PP, but to how me did focus, the piece did have to mentally evaporate from my head. Run, Shelly! Yeah, run, Shelly. Walk the foot. Oh, go, Elaine. Yeah, Elaine. Elaine are gonna take it. Elaine are gonna take it. Where the you say, girl, there go. Oh, bap. Right after the race, we end up just go crawl up in one corner. Because it's like somehow, me they feel sad, say, Jamaica lose to Jamaica. Don't ask me how.
Never had been seeing this yet.
Elaine, girl, you burn up the track. You shell. And your skin nice and chocolatey like them Sunday evening Devon's ice cream. You Shelly were coming at the Olympic finals with a make a season best after coming after one little toe injury. You are the art of one champion that. Come let me still hurt right about now. You say the little USA girl there, you better glad so Shelly and Fraser Price toe did a bad her. Because you the silver they would get kick out, chip and chop. You think so who would win?
I look like a loser to you.
I say all the people we need to tell them from now. We are going to acknowledge and big up all 3 athletes. Not because Elaine win gold now means we must discredit all our Shelly do for Jamaica. Okay? We're not going to do that thing, okay? Because I want to remember for all who I get ready for start this hour, no one says she must go away. Do you remember?
Here running away from the others the way Bolt did a night earlier. Starting blocks.
What a magnificent start. I loved it, trust me.
Oh, okay. I thought so. Don't forget that. Christania, you rep for it because that's how we do it. Shelly, you run with the flow because you're cute and petite. And Elaine, you win with a gap wide like my front teeth. That was so corny. So in the end, Jamaica get gold, bronze, and will come 8th place. So you know, so our relay team I got turned up right to the brim. No people may not ask me, but I will not talk about Grace Jackson as a commentator for ESPN. She's done a lot for the country, and I'm glad that we have a Caribbean person representing like that on the station. Well, that's it, peeps. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe to my channel. And follow me on social media. It is at Dirty Bear Show on Instagram, on Periscope, and on Twitter. Okay? Take care until next time.
A girl a try to take your space, but just tell her say, take it easy, yo. Cheesy.